Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Sorry, I'm sick. Oh yeah, where was it? Oh yeah, okay. Yeah, sorry for that intro. I was just feeling a bit silly. Minecraft. Okay, so yeah, important news. Important news. I am getting a fidget spinner. A fidget spinner. So yeah. Yeah, okay, so I'm getting a fidget spinner. I'm so happy. I don't even have any words. Well, I have words, but like, there's a word. Oh, where's my hand? Okay, that's a word. Sorry. Oh, don't look at that. You're gonna get blinded, or I'm gonna get sued. Are you guys okay? Are you okay? Okay. So yeah, I'm getting a fidget spinner. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. Oh, hey, Molly. Don't knock over my light. Hey, Molly. This is not my dog. I know you guys are thinking, wait, you have a cat named Molly. Oh, you burped? Are you gonna burp? Okay. So yeah, as you might know, I'm a dog babysitter. Please do not knock over anything, please. I just clean. Don't sit on my dragon! Thank you. Puff. Wait. Poof. The magic dragon. Ow! Sharp. That's a kid's toy. It's really sharp. Yeah, her name is Molly. She drools a lot. She drools, not drews. And yeah. So, I'm getting a purplish blue fidget spinner. Hey. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Okay. Oh, I don't know what to do. You guys are gonna be like, wait, no, just end the bloody video. You gonna lie down? What you doing? Oh, I looked at the light. I was just finishing an animation. I wanted to point it at my face just for proness. I think that might have been a potty word. Oh, no, my pants. You got drool on it. That's okay. Oh, yeah. Yeah, so in about... I looked at it. So, in about, maybe 5 days, a week, maybe, I'm gonna get it. So, yeah. Bye. So yeah, peace out. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'm so excited. What can I do? Wait a second. What are you doing? Okay, ready, guys? Oh, did you just bang your head? Oh my goodness, are you okay? Oh. Okay, ready? Mark a flip. Oh my god, dudes! That actually landed! Holy crap! Oh my god! Look at that! Brr. Wow. Should I try it again? I'm not gonna do it. Oh, it just fell over. Okay. Nope. Okay, I didn't. Oh, that actually almost capped on my water bottle. It like bounced and then like down there. Okay, let's see if I can do it. Yeah, no, okay. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. I see the light. Please move it away. Bye, guys. I'm so excited. I don't know what to say. Okay, bye. I'm gonna say bye now. Peace out. Yeah. No, don't eat my Lego. Mr. Dinosaur. No, my airplane. I gotta go.